I'm making coffee. Actually, I'm just pouring coffee. I'm not making the coffee. You're here anyway, so may as well stay. So this is iced coffee that I've made myself. Yeah. Boom. Boom. You know what I've been noticing in my little recipe videos? That's a stretch. They're not recipe videos. It's that I make very strange faces when I'm doing tasks, and like no one's ever told me about that. I'm surrounded by fakes. Let's give it a little taste test. That's really bitter. It's really bitter. I'm gonna drink it though, still. So, thanks for coming.